Hey guys, Crappy K Sue here. I wanted to come on and show you this card that I made. It's a birthday card for my uncle who's into Tinkerbell. His girlfriend used to tease him about it all the time, but if you were to go into his trailer, you would not be able to walk around because there's so much Tinkerbell stuff. I don't know how in the world that got started, but and how long ago it got started, but anyway, everybody teases him about it. But anyway, I have a Tinkerbell cricket cartridge, but I try to do it on my Cricut Explorer, but there was some issue between my Explorer and my iPad. I could not figure it out at the time, and I didn't have time to fool with it, so I'll have to look at it later. So I just went online and looked at some images and downloaded them, and this is one of them. And I just found a die that I could to cut it out with that would make it look halfway decent anyway. This is if you can see it, there's a embossing folder in the back. I believe it's the Sizzix. Yeah, it's the Sizzix tree, or I forgot the name of it, but it's a Sizzix one. No, wait a minute, I take that back. It's Stampin' Up, which I don't know if, hang on, it is Stampin' Up, but it is Sizzix as well. This is it. So yeah, it is Sizzix, but bought it through Stampin' Up. So this here is a My Craft Spot banner die. I don't know if they're still in business or not. I got it a long time ago. I still use it. The stamp, this happy birthday stamp, is from Simon Says Stamp little birthday stamp set. It's real small, which is really good for if you have like small cards, smaller than an A2 size. I mean, it'll work on A2 or any size really. It's got a big birthday thing here, but if you got like 3x3s or 4x4s or something, these little sentiments and stuff will go real good. And then on the inside, since Tinkerbell, has the wand and all that kind of stuff, I kind of wanted some kind of a something wandish to go on here, and I found this, which I remembered I had it. It's a Stampin' Up die, or it's a Stampin' Up set. Hold on. It's under Star of Light, and it's this here. That's the only little that kind of thing I have. There's a couple more out there that I've been wanting to get, so that won't be the only one, and they're different shapes. This right here, I had to print out the sentiment because I didn't have anything that would go with Tinkerbell, her sayings or whatever. I just put, hope you have a magical day. And this die set, I think is a Sue Wilson die set. It normally comes with a sentiment called Just Because, and there's another die that goes in here, but I didn't want to use it, so I thought this one looked kind of whimsical, I guess. And I put it on top of this thing, and I did it in gold. So I don't know if maybe I should have done another one or something. I don't know. Or even if I should have covered it up or not. But anyway, that's how it went. I'm actually late sending this card. His birthday was on the 10th. So 10th of February. Yeah. So I'm a little bit behind. But anyway, that's what it looks like. Let me know what you think. Oh, and this is a Spellbinders die set that I did. I cut out Tinkerbell in the die behind this one, or below this one, and then did this one and did an inset. What do you call that? Oh gosh. Inlay? No, I don't know. Anyway, that's how I did it, and popped it up a little bit. So that's it. Let me know what you think, and if I should have done something different or not. And if you're not subscribed, I would appreciate if you would subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.